Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel. My name's Ruby, if you don't know who I am, and today I'm going to be filming an Elite 11 leggings comparison video. I'm going to be showing you guys my top 5 favorite Elite 11 pairs of leggings, and I'm going to kind of be comparing them by price, comfort, fit, camel toe, squat proofness, everything. I'm going to be giving you guys the pros and cons of each pair, and kind of giving them a bit of a rating to help you guys out, since so many of you guys ask me what my favorite pair is. So I thought I'd just make a big video for you guys. I have a discount code which I'll be sharing at the end of the video. Trust me, it's worth watching till the end. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy, and let's jump right into it. Okay, so first up we've got the Aura leggings. So they are the ones that I'm wearing now. I've got them in red and I've got them in lilac, and the thing that I love most about these leggings is how soft they are. Like the actual material of these is so soft, like it's kind of like buttery. Like that's what I really love about these ones. They're also really cute for casual wear, even, to be honest. Like I feel like I could wear this so nice with like a little t-shirt and like cute sneakers, but I can also wear it to the gym and look like a bad bitch. Super comfy, lots of movement. With these ones, they kind of give me a camel toe sometimes. It's not super obvious when they do. As for squat proof, so the red ones are squat proof. Like I can't wear like, you know, black underwear underneath it with lines, like you would see that. If I do a squat right now, like you can't see anything. With the pepper ones, you have to be a bit more cautious about what you're wearing underneath because they are such a light color. So obviously with all leggings, the lighter they are, the tiniest bit more risky they are. I've matched the red with the red Aura top. Look at it at the back. I feel like that's so cute. I feel like it's so cute. They're just really comfortable, they're soft, they're buttery. The only thing about them, I guess, would be with lighter colors, I need to be a bit cautious. The only thing that kind of gets to me with these leggings is that they fall a tiny bit when you're exercising. So all leggings fall on me except for one that I will show you in a bit. These ones do slip a tiny bit, which is a bit annoying, but everything else about them kind of makes up for it, so I don't care. But if you're super anal about it, that might be a bit annoying, but otherwise they're a really good price point as well. Yeah, so with these ones, I feel like for what, $65, you can't really go wrong. And a lot of the time, like, you'll find that these ones kind of go on sale randomly. Like these ones will go on sale. They were like $18 when I got them. I love these ones. They're one of my favorite pairs of leggings I own. And the color is so vibrant. I got so many compliments when I went to the gym in this one. Regarding the top, look at how good they make boobies look. Overall, I give the Aura leggings a 7 out of 10. Okay, so this is probably number 2. This is the Elite Seamless collection, and I am obsessed with this color. So this is a tropical blue. I've got the 7/8 of these leggings on. You can get full length as well. And I've got the sports bra, but there are also shorts, and there are also another type of bra, like a more v-neck. I literally have blue, light grey, dark grey, berry, and black. I've got 5 sets worth of these. I'm obsessed. These feel like gym clothes, and I know that sounds really weird, but with the Aura leggings before, like, they felt like you can wear it with a t-shirt, you can wear it doing, I don't know, yoga. These feel like I am a elite athlete. I feel like I'm gonna go to the gym and be a bad bitch. This is the vibes I get from these leggings. Like, they're tight, they're compressive. The waistband snaps, and you've got cute little contours as well. In saying that, they don't sit very high on me. These leggings slip a tiny bit on the waist, which can get a bit annoying, but they feel so nice on that I don't even notice it. Sometimes you can get a camel toe, but I feel like that's pretty standard with leggings, to be honest with you. I feel like you can't really escape that. Now, with these ones, squat proof. I feel like it depends on the color. I feel like it's like that with all leggings, but with this one, the light blue, I feel like I always need to wear like a specific underwear or a specific color underneath. With my dark grey, I think it's called heather grey, the black and the berry, Literally, I can wear whatever underwear I like underneath those, even like non-seamless, and you can't really tell. For me, like if you can wear a normal pair of underwear underneath a pair of gym leggings, sold. Done, over, winner. So good when you're in a period as well, because then it's just convenient. So the blue, you gotta be a bit cautious with it. The blue, I always have to be a bit cautious about. This is what the back looks like. I love the sports bra as well. It's so pretty. You know what? You can buy seamless leggings from pretty much anywhere, but these seamless leggings are $60. Where do you get $60 seamless leggings from? Especially ones that look this good, feel this good, and are of such good quality. Like, I don't know, I'm a strong advocate for these leggings. And there's so many different colors, and you can wear the shorts as well, so it's a vibe. I really love the blue, and I actually always see people at my gym wearing this set. Okay guys, here is the next set. So this is the Omni collection. These are the Omni leggings in Dusty Sage, and this is the matching sports bra, also in Dusty Sage. That's what it looks like. How cute, right? I love the color of these leggings. I love the feel of these leggings. So the thing with these leggings is kind of like the Aura, they're super buttery, super smooth. From inside and outside. Like I remember when I got these, I freaked out because I was like, oh my God, like these are so soft. They were the softest leggings I'd ever touched in my life when I got these. They're not very compressive, like even around the waistband, like they're super chill. I think these would be so good for like low intensity, every day, wearing around the house. I actually got these leggings first time because I saw them on someone and I was like, oh my God, where are those leggings? Because they look so nice, super comfortable. The girl raved about them. Yeah, thanks Talani. That's why I got these. I can wear them at the gym when I don't want to wear compressive materials like Elite Seamless. So I feel like I personally could size down. It's kind of the same with the sports bra. Like it's got a lot of space to my liking. Like it still fits me really well. To be honest with you, I haven't worn these in a while, so I can't remember whether I can wear normal underwear underneath this, but I feel like because of the color and the material that if I wore like lined underwear, it would show through it. They're pretty on the skin. As for squat proof, they look pretty squat proof in my mirror. So I think you're okay with that. Overall, I give these leggings like a 6 out of 10. I really like them. I like how they look. I really love this color too. I think this is such a cute color with like gray or white or black. Like it's the perfect mixer. One thing though is that these leggings are not giving me a camel toe, which is so strange. These ones aren't, which is pretty sick. I think that's because there's a fair amount of fabric, so there's no, you know. Overall, yeah, a 6 out of 10 for what, $60. You can't really go wrong. Okay guys, 2 more leggings to go. These are the Studio Collection leggings. Specifically, I'm wearing the Studio Ascend leggings in Mellow Mauve. This color is like the perfect mix of between purple and gray. This is my favorite one out of the collection. I've got all 4 colors, the black, the steel blue, the dusty pink, and this one. I've got them with pockets and without pockets. Personally, I love the idea of pockets. It's similar to the Aura and the Omni, super light, super buttery. I don't know what's up with the buttery feel, but I'm vibing with it. I feel like if I went to Pilates, this is what I'd want to wear. Super cute. I just feel like a Pilates yoga mum right now. This is the back of them. Super, super cute again. These ones do fall a tiny bit during your workout if you're wearing them during like weights and stuff, which is what I generally do anyway. The color of these is dark enough that I can't see from here to my mirror to tell if I have a camel toe, but I don't think I do. Look at how flattering these are. I have gotten away with wearing normal seamed underwear under these, especially the one with the pockets, because there's already lining down the side. They're just so flattering, and I think the bra really complements it as well with the thin straps and the crossy back, which it doesn't have to be crossed. I've done that. It gives you the option up there so you can uncross it. I love these. I just searched them up because I wanted to see the prices for you. The bra is like $45, but the leggings are down to $45 at the moment. Overall, I give these leggings like a 6.5 out of 10 or 7. I'm bad at giving number ratings. Love these leggings. I just think they're so flattering on. Are they squat proof? Look, I feel like they're squat proof. Don't quote me on it, please. Okay, so I'm gonna chuck on my favorite pair of leggings ever in the whole world. So give me 1 second. I left the best to last. I know it's annoying, but I felt like these truly deserved to be the best to last. Literally from the get-go, I'm gonna tell you, these leggings are a 10 out of 10. They are my all-time favorite leggings. I don't know how I lived my life before these leggings were released. Like, I put them on and it was instant true love. Every time on Melbourne Gal Pals, I see, recommend me leggings. I'm like, Elite 11 lunar leggings. I've worn so many pairs of leggings. I feel like I can say that these are the one. These are the best leggings I've ever worn in my life. I literally can wear these leggings doing anything. Unlike Aura and Omni, these have an inbuilt waistband. And kind of, I can show it to you. Like, it's that thin little bit. It snaps on. They're tight. They suck you in, but they don't feel as constricted as Elite Seamless do. Not taking these off for the last few weeks. I got compliments about them at the gym. The only thing that makes me sad about these leggings is that they don't have a matching top. It's got like a little bit of a shine to them. There's no front seam, so you're not getting a camel toe. They hug you in all the right places. Like, I don't know what to say about these leggings that could possibly be bad. There's 7/8 and there's full length. There's shorts as well. The shorts are amazing. But these, they're officially my favorite leggings. I've got every color in these. There's black, there's dark purple, and there's gray. I'm obsessed. These leggings are a 10 out of 10. Oh, I can wear normal underwear underneath them. It's a bit obvious. It's a bit obvious. I will say that. I usually don't, because you can kind of see it. It just depends on what underwear it is and the color. But normal lined underwear, you can kind of get away with it. Scott proof, yeah, you're not seeing anything through these. I love these leggings so much. Okay guys, that's all from me today. I hope you guys enjoyed and you got some tips and ideas for your next shopping haul. What's the winner? 10 out of 10. Just go buy it. Like, just do yourself a favor and buy it. Like, I cannot speak more highly about them. I hope you guys enjoyed. If you want 10% off, use Ruby10. That's pretty much it for me. Please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I've got a bunch of discount codes in the description box below as well. So I'll let you guys get on with your day. But see you later guys. I hope you enjoyed and